Hmm? Oo. Pakita mo yung mga... Wow, ang dami niya na.
Watch what she does.
Ano sabihin mo?
Unless I was a car's way. I think it's gonna go wrong.
Alright, Jack. Come on.
My cycle here.
May car dyan. Jack. Ay, habulin na naman. Jack. Come here na. Hmm? Come on, anak. Come on, let's go. Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Come on. Yeah. 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 Kita natin yung flowers. Nawa, kita natin yung flowers. Ito yung tree ni Mama. Kanyan, na? Japanese cherry blossom. Tapos ito American gum tree. Tapos ito yung mga flowers ni Mama. Yung mga bees pa. Mga bees. So far. Uh-oh, come on Noah. Come on. May bees dyan. Come on. Let's go. Hmm? Hmm? Ang dami kahapon sa kwan. Farmers market. Yan binili namin. Tsaka yan. Come on, let's go. Itong ibang trees namin nag-stop na sila mag-flower eh. Yung mga shrub pa pa. Wala. Tapos isa na namang cherry blossom. Tapos yung rose. Tapos isang binili namin flower. What you doing? Hmm? Kalat na naman yan. Come on, let's go in the back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Over there, Nat. Uh-oh, don't harm the apple tree, ano? Uh-oh. No. Gagalit si Mama mo. Huh?
It's on the rising car. It's going to halfway house. Go inside.
Oo. Okay. Bye-bye na kayo. Say bye-bye to Grandpa.